What's up, guys? I wanted to bring you guys some faster builds, the ones that go in between my longer format builds and the ones that take a lot of time to get documented and produced for you guys. So this is the introduction to the fast build, the 5 minutes or less series, and the videos are going to be quick and coming in more frequently. The fast builds, 3D modeling tips, and 3D printing tips. We're just going to lump them all into this awesome playlist for you guys. So let's kick it off. Coming in, Star Wars heavy. My favorite vehicle from Star Wars is the ATST. I found a free model from Fab365, and this one comes in at 5.5 hours printed, a little over 94 grams of filament used. I use Bambu Lab PLA gray filament for this and lumped it on one board. I could fit it all on a build plate. I printed it on my Bambu A1, so all the pieces fit in one go. And yeah, the printing came out amazing. The detailed is so good. The one thing to note about this model, particularly when I was assembling it, was the engineering. The engineering behind it had some pieces that would print as one and it would fold and snap into place perfectly. I thought it was ingenious the way it was designed, the way the level of detail was for this little mini ATST model. It was great. It required some glue and a lot of it was friction held. So yeah, what an amazing small print. Here it is, right here. Now, one thing, it doesn't stand for nothing. It really, the one flaw on it is very loose and everything. So what I'm probably going to end up doing with this model here is probably gluing it in a stance that I like and have it as a display. But it is articulated, you know, it moves up and down. The turrets move, the legs and everything, as you saw with the assembly. But why stop here, guys? So I want this bigger. I want this to be as big as my figure, so it's like a 1/12 scale. I could, and I thought about it, scaling this up to that appropriate size, but then I would have probably like the nightmare scenario I did with my Megatron over there. Go check out that video. Scaling it up, a model that's this size to 300% something, adds a whole level of difficulty and problems itself. So I came across a 1/12 scale ATST. And I think that's going to have to go on the whiteboard as a future project. There you go. Quick and easy, real fast. A showcase in between all the bigger projects. Again, thank you guys for checking this out. Expect a lot more. I've got more in the bank in between all these other things that I'm doing. So until the next one, I will talk to you later.